In 2013, the National Urban League charted the course for a new era in civil rights and urban advocacy, while commemorating and celebrating the 50th anniversary of the March on Washington. A year filled with tremendous challenges, including the rollback of the Voting Rights Act and the lowest labor force participation rate in almost 35 years, the National Urban League's work for jobs, education, healthy communities, and economic opportunity continued. Celebrating his 10th year at the helm of the Urban League movement, President and CEO of the National Urban League, Mark Morial, launched the Jobs Rebuild America initiative with former Acting Secretary of Labor Seth Harris and announced a $100 million investment and 5-year effort to help vulnerable youth, entrepreneurs, and the unemployed.
If it wasn't for the Urban League, I would be either incarcerated or maybe dead.
The Jobs Rebuild America campaign was also featured in Time magazine, with a focus on programs that are working to fight unemployment through job training and entrepreneurship centers. The 2013 State of Black America report was released at the National Urban League Legislative Policy Conference and focused on the 50th anniversary of the March on Washington, examining just how far we've come since that historic day, with essays from Congressman John Lewis, Attorney General Eric Holder, and Marian Wright Edelman. The 2013 report was accompanied for the first time by a web series featuring expert-filled panels discussing jobs, challenges for Black women and men, the role of media, and equality 50 years after the march. The report was released at a press conference on Capitol Hill, while the web series, which aired on Interactive One's website, made over 10 million digital impressions. The National Urban League's work continued to make an impact and was featured in Fortune magazine's Top Charities issue. And for the first time ever, the National Urban League produced a career zone at the Essence Festival in New Orleans, drawing thousands of job seekers and people looking to take the next step in their careers. The 2013 National Urban League Annual Conference, Redeem the Dream, Jobs Rebuild America, featured an emergency town hall on voting rights with Attorney General Eric Holder, as well as remarks from Sabrina Fulton, the mother of Trayvon Martin, and civil rights icon Myrlie Evers. It also featured a special town hall on hip-hop culture with yours truly, MC Lyte, Big Daddy Kane, and Michael Eric Dyson. Also featured was an advanced screening of Fox Searchlight's Baggage Claim, Urban League Live with DJ D-Nice and Dougie Fresh, and a special preview of what would become the #1 movie in America, The Butler. With over 4,000 registered attendees and more than 11,000 visitors to the NUL Experience Expo Hall and Career Fair, the conference was one of the National Urban League's largest and most impactful, generating 8 billion media impressions. The conference also featured a one-day Small Business Matters Entrepreneurship Summit, drawing 350 people to free networking opportunities and workshops on how to start and grow your small business. With 10 National Urban League Entrepreneurship Centers located at Urban League affiliates across the country, almost 7,000 clients were served, generating $3.9 million in new capital and $56 million in new contracts. Featured prominently in Bloomberg Businessweek, the National Urban League also rolled out the Urban Empowerment Fund, a new community development financial institution providing microloans to small and minority-owned businesses to lead to business growth and job creation in underserved communities. In 2013, the National Urban League and Walgreens Way to Well Health Tour continued to provide free health screenings in communities across the country. 22% of participants were self-identified as uninsured, underlying the need for access to quality health care options for all Americans. This fall, our health navigators assisted clients in understanding and enrolling the Affordable Care Act programs at affiliates across the country. Through our Project Ready programs, the National Urban League continued to help 8th to 12th grade students prepare for college, work, and life. 35 Project Ready sites serving over 2,500 students provided college preparation and readiness programs, STEM, service learning, literacy coaching, and mentoring services. National Urban League also executed a pilot program to help families emerging from the financial crisis to access opportunities, build assets, and achieve their financial aspirations. The National Urban League Washington Bureau continued to effect change on Capitol Hill with a new office, hosting the Urban Ideas Forum on business development opportunities in healthcare and telecommunications. As the commemoration of the 50th anniversary of the March on Washington continued, together with the Memorial Foundation, the National Urban League produced a Redeem the Dream Summit and commemorative March on Washington. 600 people attended the Redeem the Dream Summit, hosted by TJ Holmes with Reverend Jesse Jackson, the family of Trayvon Martin, Bernice King, Congresswoman Maxine Waters, and more as the 21st Century Agenda for Jobs and Freedom was released. A public policy agenda targeting the challenges African Americans, urban communities, and all low-income and working-class Americans face. The agenda was produced from a series of convenings of African American leaders in 2013, including the National Urban League, the NAACP, the National Coalition of Black Civic Participation, and the National Action Network. Airing live on C-SPAN, the summit was covered by national and international media. The next morning, over 2,000 people, including Urban League affiliates from across the country, the Memorial Foundation, and the Rainbow Push Coalition marched with National Urban League to Lincoln Memorial to commemorate and continue the March on Washington. In this new era for civil rights, the National Urban League continues to be on the forefront of urban advocacy and development. Join us as we empower communities and change lives. Visit NUL.org or text 25383 to donate.